Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is a topic that I wanted to discuss this pair. I mean, discussing this pair kind of gives me a little bit of PTSD because I sold a size 10 brand new the other day on Whatnot for $280. I'll show you all what they go for in a second. Hey, hey, can't say we don't have the steals and whatnot. You know what I mean? I'll be getting killed on the kicks over there, even the hype ones. But aside from that, if you guys want to check any of that down below, it's there. We'll get into that in a moment. But today, the topic of this video is discussing a pair of sneakers that has shot up in price over $100 in some sizes. So we'll kind of get into it from there and discuss if now's a good time to buy this sneaker. So I hope you guys will enjoy, or maybe not if it's a good time to buy the shoe, but just discussing how much they've gone up in price. So let's go. If you guys do want more sneaker content like this though, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget the normal goal that we always shoot for is 300 likes on the channel. So if you can do that, that'd be great. If not, make sure you guys just, again, check out the Whatnot Lives, or again, my new website, which I just launched down below. Don't forget, we got tons of pairs like this one for sale on the site, along with streetwear items. You guys can use code WICK10 for 10% off everything if y'all want to. Hey, check it out down below. We got hoodies for winter, everything you need, even some new stuff that we got coming in this week. So don't sleep. And of course, the Whatnot Lives down below if you ever want to catch a steal on some kicks or some of the other items we do. Again, literally sold a brand new size 10 pair of these for $280 the other day. That should not have happened, but it did. So yeah, let's just get into the video. I hope y'all will enjoy. Check the site down below if y'all want to, and let's get started. All right, so the pair we're discussing in today's video, you guys probably could guess from the box, right? Or at least my OGs could. So we're discussing the Ferrari Jordan 14. So keep in mind, these originally started out at about that $250 to $280 price range, right? And now if you go look at what this pair right here is going for, it's not at that $250 to $280 price range. A size 8 brand new, which is what this size is right here. Size 8 brand new goes for $350 in StockX. I originally bought these for I think around $260, $270. So it just kind of shows you how much the market has moved up. That's originally what I bought the size 10 for. That's why when it sold for $280, I was like, bro, are you kidding me? I just should not have even sold those here. Which, I mean, again, now I kind of know that, hey, you know, you gotta be careful with the hype kicks and whatnot. I'll still do them, but holy crap, like that was like $100 on the market, and they're going up right now. But as you guys can see, very, very clean pair in hand. Again, the OG one. Turns out people did like, again, the new suede they were using on them. I saw a lot of people that said they didn't rock with it, but turns out that didn't matter. Turns out it didn't matter. I mean, you can just look at the prices right now. I'll show you all that in a second. So, clean pair. I like what we got. OG style. 23 by the heel, of course, in that Ferrari style as well on the 14s. Can't go wrong with that. So, aside from what they look like, because again, I'm sure most of us know, right, what the Ferrari Jordan 14 looks like. If not, then hey, there's a quick look at it. Excuse me. Again, I can't speak. This is a daily thing. So, let's just get into the pricing, because I feel like this is something that most of us want to see on the sneakers. So, I'm going to get the screen recording up right here, give it a couple seconds, and yeah, now the screen recording is up. So, taking a look at this pair right here. As you guys can see, looking at what these go for here. There we go. Take a look. So size 10, you can see is at 2. Oh, okay. Hey, these changed in the last couple days. What the heck? Look at this. Hold up. Hold up. This is not the same as it was a day ago. Hold on. Hold on, brother. Hey, hold on. So what the heck happened in a day? That's so weird. Okay. Interesting. Alright, so I'm realizing when I took a look at this pair right here, I must have looked at the OG one for the pricing of the size 8, right? Because size 8 was at $350, but you can see what it's at right now, about $300. So, seeing my size 10 actually saw $280 the other day, I'm okay with that. That's about market. That's fair. So, shout out my guy that caught that. But, taking a look at these right here, again, a very, very nice pair. One that you cannot go wrong with. And I do have a feeling that, again, these will probably go up around Christmas time. That's my personal prediction. I think that these could make a little bit of progress because it wasn't a high stock sneakers release, right? That's one thing to keep in mind. And I do think in the popular sizes like a 10, 9, 9.5, 10.5, 11, that's definitely one to target as well, or a 12, right? 11 or 12, those are always good sizes to go for in pretty much any hype shoe. I think they could end up doing pretty well in this shoe and head towards $350 around Christmas time. I already thought they were there, but you guys can see they're not there if we take a look at the prices right there. So that just lets me know, hey, there's still more potential for these to go up. You have some time. If you remember where they were at before the drop, I can actually show you that right now. Take a look at where they were at before the drop. Look, 320, 330. See that? So that kind of 320, 330 range, I could see them returning to where they were at there. And they're actually pretty close to that in some sizes. As you can see, at 9, 9.5, 11.5, 12.5 is already there. So a few sizes are pretty close to that if you guys just want to check that out. So one of the main things I want to mention about the Ferrari Jordan 14, very clean pair. I think it has a lot of potential to go up. I just think we have to give these a little bit of time because, again, it still is fairly close to the release. That's why I was very shocked to hear these had already already been going up in price. I was like, we have to double check this. So it looks like it again is setting up to go up in price a decent amount, but it has not done that yet. When I was taking a look at the OG pair, that's what I mean. I don't know how StockX pulled that one up first for me, because I know I looked up Ferrari 14, and then somehow the challenge red pair, right, the OG one from like 2013, came up first. So that threw me off, and yeah, now we're making this video today. But I still think, again, we can make this video because this is a pair that I definitely see going up in price around the holiday season. So that's one of the main things I would pay attention to about this pair, is that it does have a lot of potential to go up in price later this year. The main reason for that is because, again, they didn't do a lot of pairs on sneakers initially, and, well, it is a classic pair. You can't ever go wrong with a classic pair of Jordans. Those are the type of ones that people will be willing to pay more on and will come back to down the line because they remember it, or it's like nostalgic for them because they had them in high school or back in the day, whatever the case is. So, you know, they'll try and get a new pair so they can like have that version of it on their feet. You know what I mean? Or maybe they have the OG ones too, so they want to have, you know, this one also, have both of them. So I can understand that fully. So that's why I see this pair, having potential to go up in price, because the OG one is starting to become like unwearable almost, like it dropped a pretty long time ago. So like that's one of the main things to remember, unless you've really taken care of it. So a lot of people are going to be running to this pair if they want a pair of Ferrari 14s, and that's why I could see these heading up to, you know, the prices that the OG ones are at. Even you see that a lot of the time with retros, like the new pair will go for the same as the old pair because, well, more people are going out the way and buying the new ones because they can actually wear them. You know what I mean? It's not just like a collectible. So it's one of the main things to understand about this pair, and why I think it could go up in price is because, well, it's the more recent one. They didn't do a lot of them, and, well, we're heading into Christmas season, and it looks like they're actually starting to go up in price a little bit. They were at 280 for quite a while. Now you can see a lot of the sizes are starting to head towards 300, 320. Again, I think we'll probably see them chill out at about 350, but that's where I see most of the sizes heading to, at least 11, 12, 12.5. I would say 10.5. Those are all the sizes I could see easily getting to 350 this Christmas season when more people are buying shoes. So just keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. It's going to be a really good buying season this December. So pairs like this will be the ones that people will be looking for. So it's one of the main things I can say about the Ferrari 14s off the bat. I thought, again, they had already gone up in price, but as you guys can see, they have not gone up in price yet. Well, they have a little bit. Again, a little bit, like 20, 30 bucks, but it's not enough for me to be like they've spiked up. So that's what we could say about this pair. It is definitely setting up to make a lot of progress, but the progress has not been made yet. Only a little bit, as you guys can see. You'll see what I'm talking about. Look, so we're down here at 270, right? And now we're kind of up here like 299, 300 average. It's like, again, $20, $30 worth of progress is not enough to discuss yet. But I think after December, it'll be enough to discuss. We'll have made some pretty significant progress in December, I think, for this pair. I think this will be one that'll be selling really well. So just, if you can grab a couple of these for a decent price and get them off in December for a little bit more than what you paid, I think that's 100% possible. Just because of, again, December will be a buying season. People will be willing to pay a little bit more for a shoe to have it then and there, have it in their hand, have it in time for Christmas. So that's one of the main things we can say. And hey, that's another reason that, am I on the screen recording? But that's another reason to check the site down below, is because I ship everything next day. So if you need something quickly, I got you. But that's really everything we need to say. I don't need to discuss too much more. Just, again, let me know how y'all are feeling about this pair down below. If it's one that you would add to your collection, would you add this to your collection? Would you hold on to this pair? Feel free to let me know down below. This is definitely one I would be willing to hold on to. Shoot, I got a pair or two right here, so you know what I mean? Definitely one I'm willing to add to the inventory because I see them continuing to make some progress in the future. But let me know what you guys think. Is this a pair you guys could see going up in price? And do you guys think this pair has potential to go up in price this holiday season? Feel free to let me know in the comments. I cannot speak as per usual, but if you guys do want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Do not forget the normal goal we always shoot for is 300 likes. So just let us know y'all rock with this pair and want more content like this. And again, if there's anything else I can help y'all out with in the comments, feel free to let me know. Y'all can also check out the website down below. Don't forget Wick 10% off. Hey, we got these in the site. You can go ahead and cop them. Use Wick 10 for 10% off if you want to. If not that, hey, just check some of the other streetwear. We got hoodies, tees, everything you would need. Feel free to check it. Items from $12 to 500 plus. So I mean, again, pretty much within everyone's range. So don't sleep on that. Nike socks, accessories, a little bit of everything. So again, I hope to see y'all there checking that site down below, and I appreciate all of you who have copped something already, man. Hey, shipping a lot of stuff today, so it's much love as always, and thank you guys for always being super chill with us. So I'm T, thank you all. If there's anything I'm forgetting down below, please just let me know in the comments, and I will try and answer it there for you. And yeah, I think that's it. Just check it all down below. The Whatnot Lives, the site, it's there. So I'm T, thank you guys. Again, anything else down below, just let me know. I'll get back to you, and that's it. I'll see y'all tomorrow on the next one. Peace.